Okay. Hello and welcome again to this Selenium automation with Java course. My name is Pankaj Kapse, your instructor. In this video, we will discuss about exceptions, exception handling in Selenium. Exception handling is first of all what does it mean by exception? Exception is nothing but the errors, or we can say unexpected errors occurred during the runtime. Okay, so we will discuss about that. Now, in this session, we understand and handling Selenium exceptions in Java. We discuss in the way, like first of all, get the explanation what the exceptions are and how they encountered. Then try to figure out the scenarios, in which scenario we get the exceptions, and try to find out the solution how we can handle the exceptions, right? In this session we will discuss some exceptions like no such element exception, timeout exception, element not interactable exception, no such frame exception, and so on. Okay, so let's start with the exceptions. So first of all, already I told you what is exception are. Exceptions are unhandled, unexpected errors or unexpected events encountered during the runtime, which will crash our application or stop our application. Okay, so let us show you with the help of an example, or try to run the script. Okay, so very first, uh, no, first of all, we just see the scenario, the case. Okay, so in our application, first of all, we uh, pass our user ID and password and log in the application. Then open the inquiry page, as this is our testing page. Now, in this page, see we are see the courses, we have sub courses and groups, and the uh, subjects or subject related to the selected course, sub course, and group. Okay, we have two courses like CBSE board and state board, and we have some sub courses like standards, 8 standard, 9 standard, 10 standard. These are 8, 9, 10 standards are aligned with the CBSE board. If we click on the state board, the standards will be changed, or the values associated with state board can be changed. So for now, we have a state board course, then we have some sub courses and groups, like section A, section B, group A, group B, group C, group D, and so on. And according to that, the selected subjects will appear. So our scenario is we are totally concentrate on this portion, like select course, sub course, and group till the subject, right? So yeah, so first of all, our execution will be start from the beginning, entering all the mandatory fields and then selecting the course, then subcourse groups, and select the subcourse. Okay, and then click on the sign in button or save button. Right? This is our scenario. Now we are going to execute the test scenario. Like this is our script. I will explain you one by one. First of all, here we are going to log in the window. After that, we are clicking on the inquiry page, so that inquiry page will open. Then when this okay, then here we are putting the mobile number from one of my variable, like mobile number. Here we take some string variables to provide the runtime data. All data are the dynamic data. We are not hard coding any value. For now, we just create as variables and put values from the variables. But in real time, we all fetch the information, or fetch all the data from the external source, like Excel file or CSV file or some other file, as a data-driven framework. Okay, so now here we are passing a mobile number, then first name. These are the mandatory fields. Then we click on the course, which course we want to select, right? Then sub course, then group, and then click on the uh, subject checkbox, right? And then click on the save button. Okay. So our expectation is to it should run properly, and all the information will get saved. Okay. Right. So now our data is saved successfully. It passes the phone number, the first name, and all the information what we provide, and then click on the save button. This is a happy scenario, right? But what if okay, this is okay. Now, if we change the group like B, okay. So first you need to understand we create a script, right? Which which is able to select a course, select a subcourse, select a group, and select the subject. What are the subjects displayed here, right? So our script must be generic. Here we create a four line of code, and with the help of the four line of code we can uh, mm, run our all test cases. First thing is that uh, while creating the application scripting, we need to first identify our test cases. So very first, we just see the our test cases. Just a minute. Okay. So where I yeah, this is one. So for this scenario, we have some test cases like we have courses. Which courses? CBSE board and state board. Okay. For CBSE board, we have 8 standard, 9 standard, 10 standard. For 8 standard, we have group A, group B, group C, group D. And for A group, we have subjects. Rest of we don't have any value. But what if we my first scenario will be okay and it pass. Okay. But when it comes to the second test case, where our standard is 8 and group is B, so let me check what happened. Okay, so we just change to group B and try to execute the script once more. Okay, save it. Okay. Now, still we are not getting the any save message. So definitely something happened and our script is failed. And why it's failed? So just look into the error. What error says? No such element found. Okay, unable to locate the element. Which element? This element. And what about this element? Is a group call. Uh, so okay, so system is not able to click on the all groups. Okay, so why? Because there is no subjects available for group B. Okay, it can be happen because we don't have the values. So in that case, our system or our application should not fail. This is a exceptions. This is called the exception or unwanted, unexpected errors that can occur in the runtime. So how to handle this type of situations we will discuss in our next video. Okay, thank you. Bye. Today.